this is Courtney from RitaMaeYarns.com, and today I'm going to show you how to do this lovely brioche stitch. So what I love about the brioche stitch is that it looks like ribbing, but it's actually a lot stretchier fabric, which makes a really, really nice fluffy texture for your project. And for your fabric, and also it's double-sided, so you can see that it's the same on this side as it is on this side, which is really, really fun. So we'll go ahead and get right into the stitch. So if you go ahead and you're going to cast on 10 stitches, and this is also for the left-handers out there. I do have a video for right-handed knitters. You can find that video as well. So what you're going to do now is you're going to do your setup row. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to take this yarn here, you're going to put your needle underneath the yarn and do your first yarn over. Okay, and that's all you do. Alright, so now to do this row, you're going to slip the first stitch and you're going to knit the second stitch. Yarn over, slip the first stitch, and knit the second stitch. And you're going to repeat that for the end till the end of the row. So you're going to yarn over, slip the first stitch, and knit the second stitch. Yarn over, slip first stitch, knit the next stitch. Yarn over, slip the first stitch, and knit the last stitch. All right, so that is your setup row. Oh my goodness, this one doesn't want to go. There we go. All right, so that was your setup row, and now we're going to go ahead and do our brioche stitch. Now, before we get started, I want to point out that you're going to have X's, like these little X's every other row here, and that's what you want. So how this was created was you did your yarn over and your slipped stitch. That's what those are. And so I'll tell you what we do with those in a minute. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to yarn over again the first stitch. So go ahead and yarn over like so. And then you're going to slip that first stitch again. All right, so now that we see this X, now what we're going to do is we want to knit this pair together. So all of these X's are pairs. We're going to knit that pair together and create them one. It's like they're getting married. They were two people and now they've become one. All right, so now we're going to yarn over and we're going to continue that till the end of the row. We're going to slip the first stitch and knit the couple together. Yarn over, slip first stitch, and knit the couple together. Yarn over, slip first stitch, and knit together. Yarn over, slip first stitch, and then knit the pair together. All right, and so then you're going to repeat that and as many times as your pattern says, or if you want, we do have a cowl recipe on our website, on our blog, that kind of shows you, I think it's like 36 stitches you cast on, and then you just keep going and going and going. It's worked flat, and then at the end, there's these two corners here. You go ahead and you flip your project and you sew these ends together. So it's actually a really fun cowl. I think you'll enjoy it. And so if you need any project supplies, we do have our worsted weight, our Dahlia base, and it's a really, really fun, squishy, soft worsted, 100% superwash merino yarn. So I would definitely recommend that for this project. And I'm also using size 8 needles. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please go ahead and comment on the link below. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe so you can see all of my other tutorials. Have a wonderful day.